everyone, so I am back with a what I ate today video, and I'm gonna start the morning off with some cold water and lemon. So this has become a routine of mine that I am obsessed with, and I'm glad that I am now making this a habit because I feel like the lemon water definitely helps with my puffiness in my face, and my skin has been clearing up a lot more. So now let's move on to coffee. You guys said you wanted to see some coffee recipes that I make. So I got these little chocolate chips for 36 pieces is only 1 point, so I did a little bit of that. Put it in the espresso cup, started my espresso. I used Altiso and let that chocolate melt in there. And then I got some unsweetened almond milk and poured that inside with some cinnamon powder. And at first I realized I used regular almond milk, but I ended up having unsweetened almond milk after. So poured that in, and then I poured in the espresso, and if it didn't melt all the way, the chocolate chips, it's okay because it will melt completely once you put in that milk. So I put the foam in after the espresso, and then I put fat-free whipped cream with chocolate chips. So now moving on to my breakfast. I wanted this toffee almond. So someone suggests that I put in the microwave for 20 seconds, this specific bar, and oh my gosh, it tastes like a brownie. So it is 160 calories and zero guilt. Again, you guys, 100% chocolate. It is 4 points for the whole bar. When you see the size of the bar and the texture, everything, you are gonna be like, what? Only 4 points? So it's 160 calories, 19 grams of protein, and 5 grams of sugar, and gluten-free with no preservatives. So this is so delicious. Like I said, you only need to pop it in the microwave for 20 seconds and you will get a delicious melted chocolate bar. Yes, it's a protein bar, but it tastes just like a regular candy chocolate bar slash brownie with the nuts inside that you could taste. It is, oh my gosh, you guys, it is so good. You do have 18 other flavors to choose from, so if you don't like toffee almond, you always have other options. I did enjoy it with some unsweetened almond milk because, you guys, it was just like having a chocolate brownie with milk. So now for lunch, I wanted to use my shrimp that I got from Trader Joe's. This is the best shrimp you will ever have, you guys. It's the Argentinian red shrimp. I know a lot of people always talk about this. It is in the frozen section. And about 6 of them equals 1 point on the green plan. So once you've thawed out the shrimp, you preheat the air fryer because we are doing the air fryer. And I sprayed this with some coconut oil. And then it is now time for the seasonings, which isn't many. So that's a good thing about this recipe. It's actually very easy. So I just added some chili seasoning, and I didn't measure anything. I just made sure that the shrimp was well coated with the seasoning. So I have a shrimp setting on mine, so it's really easy for me to do. And as I was doing that, I forgot to mention to you guys that I made some cauliflower rice, which was very important. So just add some cauliflower rice in the bottom of a bowl. If you don't like cauliflower rice, of course you can use brown rice, white rice, whatever you prefer, but point-wise, this was the best. And I actually like cauliflower rice a lot, and I like to put garlic cubes inside while I'm cooking it. So that's just an idea for you guys. So after staring at this cauliflower rice for a long time, I then added some broccoli. It's not steamed broccoli. I just threw that in. And then I added my shrimp. And I had some cabbage that I cut up, and then some shredded carrots, and about a 1/4 cup of avocado in my bowl because, like I said, my husband wanted a bowl as well, so some was for him. And you could top it off with a little bit of salt if you like, or anything pretty much. It's up to you. That's what's fun about this. But I just added some low sodium soy sauce. You could always add sriracha or make your own kind of sauce, but the soy sauce was just fine for me, and this filled me up. It was the cauliflower, the shrimp, everything just filled me up. I was so full after this. So after a much needed nap, which I was surprised the kids let me nap, I was craving more chocolate. I know there's a lot of chocolate in here, you guys, but it is that time of the month for me. So sorry for the TMI, but it is so true. And I just wanted chocolate. So I just got this Jello chocolate vanilla swirl pudding. It is sugar-free, reduced calorie. And I just plop that in my little cup here. And that alone is 2 points. And then I added my fat-free whipped cream and then topped it off with just one cookie. It seriously just took one cookie, one of those little mini Oreo cookies, and you just crumble it up as the topping and you've got yourself this delicious chocolate treat, you guys. That's 3 points. For dinner, I was originally going to make some chicken and show you guys me air frying a lemon pepper chicken, but it was getting late, so I just went with an egg sandwich. It was quicker for me, easier. So I just boiled some eggs, and then here's all the ingredients I mixed in with 2 hard-boiled eggs. With the mayo, I did measure 1.5 tablespoons, so in case you're curious, and that was 2 points. And just a little bit of mustard and the paprika, salt and pepper. So mix that really well, and then I had 2 sourdough breads in the air fryer and just created an egg sandwich. And on the side, I did make the Skinny Dishes sweet corn pasta salad, and I will have a link to this down below. It's so good. I can never find the right noodles, but any noodles works for me. I always have different ones when I make this. So the pasta for half a cup is 4 points, and then the sandwich, depending on your bread and such, my bread was for 2 slices 4, and then the mayonnaise 2, and 2 eggs is 4 points. So that is my dinner, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my weight loss playlist down below.